Hello friends, and here we are here for the second video. That is the experiment number 2, class diagrams. So basically, class diagrams has a class where you specify its attribute and its association with the attributes. That is the operations. Then we have the dependency and all, and then aggregations. All these toolbox for class diagram. No, this is just the toolbox, and that's it. So it has to be somewhat like this, as you can see it here. So let's go to the Star UML. So this is the class diagram for the library management system as I've written it here. So in this, basically first we apply a package. This package, like this is the package, so you just click it on the screen and it comes, and you type in whatever you want. So I've typed in book. uh, I'm sorry. So package is not required here as of now. So because we are doing the class diagram, so we need class. If you see this class, when you click it, there's a thing called class. It comes like this. So first we're going to do it for a book. So as you can see, book, librarian, transaction, my records, and the bill of the book which you purchased is going to be red. Yeah. So as you see here, book. So its attributes. So if you just click this, you can just add this. So you can add the attribute over here. So attribute gets added. So yeah. So book ID I've added, its author, its name, what all the book details is there. So all those are getting added. So book ID, author, name, price, rack number, status edition, and date of purchase. Okay, those are all the books that are having, and so this thing. Here after this, you click a thing called, you right click and you add operation. If you want to add the operations to be done while a book is being displayed and update status update status, so these two things are being done. So you can add the books such as journals. So journals have added, then study books have added over here, then comics have added, magazines, excuse me, etc, etc. So all these things are getting added. Then we go on to librarian. In that librarian we have name, password. So name and password. So he has to log in via the name and password. So the book you can access just randomly. It's in public state. This basically also is in a public state visibility, but you can change that later on, like somewhat here. See, you can change it over here. So private, protected, and all this stuff. So search book. So then after login, we search the book. If any if any customer comes and asks for the book, so he searches the book. He verifies whether the member needs that book, and then issues the book to that person, and then calculates the fine if it's delayed the book in returning it back. Then create bill. Create bill is basically to he just creates the bill. Okay. Then return book is like when it has to be returned the book, or return books like um, what are the books he has to return. So now we have transaction over here. So transaction is transaction ID, member ID, book ID, all these are there. So date of issue, due date, and all. So then the operations are like it creates the transactions, deletes the transactions, and retrieves the transactions. So three things are being done. Okay. So that goes on to the bill. Okay. Bill is created. That is bill number, date, member ID, account. So of course an account is required to create a record of a customer. So you update a bill and then you create a bill. That's it. Then my record. This is basically for that's the user. Okay, so my record is the user. That's me. Okay. So member ID. What type of books do you like or read? Date of membership is like when have you come into the, like when have you like when have you joined as a member. Number of books issues, that is how much books you have taken. Book limit. Book limit is where I think, yeah, a certain number of books that you can carry, I guess, or take with you. Name, address, and phone number. That's of course the details of the customer. Now the operations that are required are retrieve member, increase the book count, decrease the book counts, and then pay bill. So that's the customer. He can retrieve the members. I mean, retrieve member is me. Okay, increasing the book count and decreasing the book count and paying the bill. That is a student, or it could be a faculty. So as you can see here, this shows issues. So book is issued by the librarian. Then so it's creating a transaction ID. So then it refers to the bill. What the bill is there. What is the bill of the thing? Book. Then it creates the bill and sends it back to the librarian. So then it's being paid by the, so pays, put pays, so it's being paid by the customer. That is student, faculty. That is the members. So that's it for the okay, yeah. This is known as a directed association, as you can see over here. So directed association, you click this and then you drag it over here. So this is known as a directed association, and these are all just normal associations related to the processes and all. So that's it, friends. This is the class diagram for the library management system. Thank you.